In our last video, we actually linked back our files. So now let's solve the problem finally. Now that we have actually saved our project, let's go and check if the particular folder has been created, the library has been created, to be on the safer side before we close this. Because I have actually tried this out, but if it's not created, we are going to have some issues. So I go back to the library, and when I check here, you discover it is actually created. Now, there is no alternative to that. You have to check through those processes to be able to do that. So these are the files. They have finally been created for me. It was because I actually corrected this problem here. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I can easily, haven't done this, okay, I can close. My two libraries are available. I can easily come here and close my Camtasia for another file. So I will just click this place and close it. The library is corrected. So instead of closing it, let me go and open another file, because if I close it, okay, let me just close it and I will pause the video and continue. So I close, and I already have some other files here. So I will just double click on this, another file, or go straight to that same file of today. Let me first of all go to the file of today, which is intro log. And okay, it's trying to open it. Wow, so finally there was no error with it. So we've actually corrected the problem. Check it now, it's corrected. So let's test another file again that I actually created with these same libraries and see if it is corrected. I can just come here, I click on open to go directly, and let me come to this place and see if it is corrected. Wow, finally it is corrected. So you don't actually have issues with them anymore. If you come to this place, it is finally corrected for us, because the same file, even if this particular, even if the group you see here are not the same, from what I've discovered, it will still look for it and see if the files are located within this same library name here, which is actually the same thing, because this one was created when there was a duplicated group name. So that is why it was like this. So since the files are there, you don't have issues with this. Thank you very much for listening. I believe this is very, very helpful.